Hello to a new video tutorial about installing and configuring the MP250 Canon printer under Ubuntu 12.04. First you have to go to Dash Home, Printing, and here you can see the printer added. Let's ignore those printers and add another one. First you have to turn on the printer by on button. The printer was detected by the system, and now it will search for drivers. So under Ubuntu 12.04 you have to install the printer automatically in the system with the help of the system, and it will create a new PPD that is different from the PPD under the other distributions of Ubuntu. So select printer from database, Canon, Pixma MP250, that's the printer, and apply. So let's print a test page to see if it works. This is the printer added, Canon MP250 Series 2, and at the printer options you can find options like media size, that can be A4, color model RGB, color precision best, plain paper rear tray print quality standard, and resolution that implicitly can be at 300 and 600 dpi. So we'll have to configure the PPD file to print at higher resolutions. Okay, as you can see, the test page, it was printed until I stopped the printer. So you can go at File System, etc cups PPD folder, and here you can find the PPD that it is automatically putted by the system, Canon MP250 series PPD. The other ones are created after you do the settings. And here I copy the file and make modifications on it. So let's open it to show you what are the modifications. I go to the resolutions, yes, the changes are not anymore, but I'll show you how to do it. You have to copy those two lines, paste it, and replace the 600 dpi with 1200. You have to replace all the 600. And do this again with 2400 dpi resolution and 4800 resolution. So you have to add another two lines, and after that you have to save, but you have to save it as with another name of the document, and then replace, change the name, rename, and replace this file. Okay, so let's go back to the printing window, and I will show you a printer that I modified sooner. And at the printer options and the resolution you can find those three resolutions: 1200, 2400 and 4800 dpi. And what's new at Ubuntu 12.04, it can actually print at 4800 dpi. So I'm glad that Linux is powerful as Windows. So let's print a test page. I'll open LibreOffice. And let's see if it prints at 4800 dpi. Okay. Width 20 at font and print at 4800 dpi. The printer took the command. And it is now printing. You will find out that at this resolution it prints slowly, but with better quality. So here is the page printed. You can find the PPD file modified with those resolutions on this page under linuxpedia.organization. Thank you for seeing this video tutorial. Have a nice day.